Are you eager to achieve fairer skin quickly? Skin whitening treatments promise to cover imperfections and give you a brighter complexion in no time. This quest for lighter skin is a common aspiration in many parts of Asia, where beauty standards often favor a pale appearance. You might have noticed people going to great lengths to shield themselves from the sun, using umbrellas, wide-brimmed hats and scarves. While it might seem like they are overly cautious about sun exposure, it's actually a deep-seated cultural preference for lighter skin. However, many over-the-counter whitening products can be quite pricey and at times risky for your health. Instead, why not try some natural, effective remedies right from your kitchen? These DIY solutions are not only affordable but also simple and safe to make at home. Recipe 1. Oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is excellent for skin health and lightening. Here are a couple of ways to use them. Orange juice and turmeric. Mix a pinch of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing off. Daily use can show remarkable results. Orange peel and yogurt. Save your orange peels, dry them out and grind them into powder. Mix 1 tablespoon of this powder with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply it to your skin for about 20 minutes before washing off. This mask can help fade dark spots. Recipe 2. Lemons. Lemons are well known for their natural bleaching properties. Here's how to use them effectively. Fresh lemon juice. Apply freshly squeezed lemon juice to your face using a cotton ball. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the juice with water. Leave it on for no more than an hour, then rinse thoroughly. Consistent use will lighten your complexion over time. Lemon juice and turmeric powder. Combine 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply this paste to your face for about 30 minutes, then rinse off. This treatment is highly effective when used daily. Lemon juice, honey and powdered milk. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of powdered milk. Apply this blend to your skin. Leave it on for up to 20 minutes and then wash off. Avoid using this mask if you have open wounds or citrus allergies. Recipe 3. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is a staple in many kitchens and a great skin lightener. It contains lactic acid, which has natural bleaching properties. Here's how you can use it. Simple yogurt mask. Apply a generous amount of plain yogurt to your skin in gentle circular motions. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. For the best results, use this mask daily for 2 to 3 weeks and you'll notice your skin lightening. Yogurt and honey. Combine 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Apply this mixture to your face and neck and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Resist the urge to taste it, although it is delicious. Regular use will help brighten your complexion. Yogurt, oatmeal and lemon juice. Mix plain yogurt with a bit of oatmeal and lemon juice. This mixture not only lightens your skin but also hydrates and nourishes it. Apply this mask for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Recipe 4. Gram flour. If you're committed to skin whitening, gram flour is an excellent option. Known for its exfoliating and brightening properties, it also helps in removing excess oil. Gram flour paste. Mix gram flour with water to create a thick paste. Apply to your face, hands and legs and let it dry. Once it hardens, rinse it off with water. This treatment will not only brighten your skin but also exfoliate it. We have shared some effective and natural skin whitening treatments. Have you tried any of these? Do you have other tips for lightening your skin? Share your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.